Today, I'll show you how to create a trading account on Exness. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. With Exness, you first create your main account, called your personal area, and then you create your actual trading account inside it. Exness says that before you can start trading real funds, you need to create a trading account in your personal area. Exness also offers different account types, including standard accounts and professional accounts. To get started, go to the official Exness website and click Register or Sign Up. Exness has an official sign up page where you create your account. Enter your details, complete the registration steps, and open your personal area. Once that's done, you're inside the main Exness account system. Now let's create the actual trading account. Inside your personal area, choose the type of account you want to open. Exness says standard accounts include standard cent and standard, while professional accounts include pro, raw spread, and zero. Each one is designed for different trading styles and experience levels. So at this stage, choose the one that fits how you plan to trade. After that, Exness says the next step is verification, also called KYC. This is where you confirm your identity and account details. Exness explains that this is a required step for account security and regulatory compliance. So if you want to move forward smoothly, complete the verification process as soon as possible. Once your account is verified, you can fund it. Exness says you can open the deposit section in your personal area, choose your payment method, enter the deposit amount, select the trading account you want to fund, and then complete the payment steps on screen. Exness also says some trading accounts can be opened with as little as 10 US dollars, depending on the payment method and account type. After the deposit, connect your account to the platform you want to use. Exness says its available platforms include Exness Trade, Exness Terminal, MetaTrader 4, and MetaTrader 5 across desktop, web, and mobile. So once the trading account is created and funded, you simply log in to your chosen platform using your trading account details. If you're not ready to trade with real money yet, Exness also offers a demo account. Exness says you can register, choose Try Free Demo, and begin practicing first before opening or funding a live trading account. And that's how to create a trading account on Exness. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.